How to change language in Klarna. Need to change the language? This guide shows you how you can change the language in Klarna so you can use the app in a preferred language. First, you should know that Klarna's app's language is not directly configurable within the app itself. It automatically adapts to the language setting of a mobile device. To change the language, you need to change the phone's system language. Go to phone system setting and find the language and input or general section. From there, you can select your preferred language. Once you've selected a new language, your phone will update its display language. When you open Klarna's app again, it will automatically use the new language that you've selected. This will also affect the language of your Klarna communications, like emails and notifications. Keep in mind that when you're shopping online, the language of Klarna checkout will be determined by the merchant's website language. It's a great way to use the app in a preferred language. You now know how to change the language in Klarna. Get ready to use the app in a preferred language. Like and subscribe for more finance tips.